Welcome back. Now we will start 2021 questions. Which one of the following is an incorrect statement? Nuclear pores act as passages for proteins and RNA molecules in both directions between nucleus and cytoplasm. Yes, this is correct. Mature sieve tube elements possess a conspicuous. Conspicuous means clearly visible nucleus. This is wrong. Nucleus is not there in mature sieve tube elements. So we have the answer. Incorrect statement is option 2. Which of the following stages of meiosis involves division of centromere? Division of centromere in meiosis will happen in the second anaphase. In the first anaphase, the homologous chromosomes separate. So they have distinct centromeres. They are separate chromosomes. So division of centromere doesn't happen in anaphase 1. It only happens in anaphase 2. This is the answer. Match question. So always read the list which has more words. Primary constriction in chromosomes. This is centromere. C1. C1 is only in option number 4. We have the answer. Discs are called cisternae. This is the one. D2. Infoldings in mitochondria are cristae. A3. Last one, flattened membranous sacs in stroma of plastids. These are called thylakoids. When the centromere is situated in the middle of two equal arms of chromosome, the chromosome is called metacentric. 2. If it is slightly away from center, it is called submetacentric. If it is very close to one end, it is called acrocentric. And if it is at the end, it is called telocentric. Which of the following are not secondary metabolites in plants? So see, this topic is very important. By heart the table. Rubber and gums, these are polymeric secondary metabolites. Morphine and codeine are alkaloids. Amino acids and glucose, these are primary metabolites. These are important intermediates. Vinblastine and curcumin, these are drugs. So option 3 is the right answer.